Here's the Infiniti QX60. Let's get started. Now there's a door sensor on each of the four doors. I'm just going to show you the process on the left side doors. Open the front door, right over there is a sensor, and the only thing that's holding the sensor in place is one little bolt over there, and to take it out you will need a 7mm socket ratchet combination. So let's go ahead, put the socket ratchet combination on the bolt and take it out and keep it somewhere safe. Do not lose the bolt because it's very important for the sensor to work. Now let's just go ahead, get the sensor out, press right over there where the electrical connector is. See, press down there with the thumb and it comes off. Now you can comfortably let go of the sensor without worrying about it getting pulled back in the body. Now right there is where I was pressing with my thumb. Get the new sensor, and you see the metal part on the sensor and there's metal threads in the body. That's where the bolt comes in. The bolt is not only holds the sensor in place, but it also connects the metal to metal contact, and that's what makes the sensor work. Without the bolt, the sensor will not work. Let's go ahead, put it back in place, put the bolt back in and tighten it down properly. And now that's it. We can move on to the rear side door. Open the door, and right over there's a sensor. Same bolt, same sensor, same everything. No differences whatsoever. Let's just go ahead, get the bolt out using the 7mm socket ratchet combination. Pull the sensor out, pull the connector off of it, get the new sensor, put it back onto the connector right over there, and then click it in place to secure it. Now let's put it back in the body. Hand tighten the bolt first and then tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.